Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you my version of coconut shrimp with a special dip. Come on.
Here I have used jumbo shrimp. These work perfect as an appetizer. Let's marinate. Here I have finely chopped garlic and I'm also using a thick teriyaki sauce for better coating. Take about 3 tablespoons full for a great flavor. Make sure all the shrimp get coated with the sauce and garlic. The sauce already has a good amount of salt, so I'm not adding any. Cover and keep it aside until we get all the other preparations done. Check out my Instagram link below for some exciting recipes to be featured soon on my channel. Let's make the sauce. I'm using regular mayonnaise, but you can also use vegan one. Here I have sriracha sauce, which gives a slight kick to the sauce. You can add more if you like it spicy. Give it a good mix. Now honey will give slight sweet taste and balance the spicy. Mix well and keep it aside while we go ahead with the other preparation. Our sauce is ready. Keep aside until we get the shrimp ready. I'm using coconut powder for even coating. This will stick well to the shrimp. I have taken just the egg whites, but you can also use whole egg if you like. I prefer cornstarch over all-purpose flour. This will make the shrimp crispy. Season the cornstarch well. Now take the shrimp and coat well with the cornstarch first, then the egg whites, and then the coconut powder. Make sure they are all coated well. Place on a plate until you are done with all the shrimp similarly. Continue with all the shrimp. The detailed recipe is in the description box below with all the measurements, so do check it out. These are all ready to be fried. Oil is on medium-high. Gently drop the prepared shrimp. Do not overcrowd the pan. We don't want the coating to come off. Now let them fry for a couple of minutes and then we will turn them over and cook until they are nice and golden. They already look great. These have been frying for about 4 minutes. Look at that beautiful color. These are perfectly crispy. I can't wait to have a bite. How about you?
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.